The tool is used to organize and compare data based on specified locations. I could use it where I have two university locations and locations where litter is found and want to compare the campuses of their litter. This first option is where you can input your current feature classes. The second option is where you can name your intersected output. This option allows which attributes to intersect. The last option is mainly used when intersecting polygons. It allows outputs like so. I have a point dataset representing litter found in Townsville and Cairns and a polygon dataset representing James Cook University campus areas. When using the intersect tool as so, I'll have an outcome like this. I now have data on which points are located on which campus, giving me the ability to compare the two locations of which have the more litter. The expectation is seeing spatial intersection and then combining the attribute tables as shown. This is useful for a lot of analysis. Most of the time you'll only want to do a default intersect, and so when there's multiple inputs, it'll compute the intersection of all of them and take the lowest order. Here are other examples.